is always that time to honor the first place winning team in the 15 Club Division. Please join me in welcoming once again, Rancho. Starting us off is wearing number 1, Manuel Cisneros. Number 3, Caden Straha. Number 4, Tyler Wilson. Number 7, Ryan Molinas. Number 10, Timai Greedy. Number 11, Mark Thompson. Number 12, Jeff Arias. Number 15, Asher Schultz. Number 18, Jacob Boyd. Number 23, Owen Mortensen. Number 30, Kellen McDaniel. And number 55, David Casey. Your assistant coach for Rancho Valley, Sidney Christensen. Your assistant coach, Wayne White. And your head coach, no one other than Brad Massey. And at this time, I need my captain to please step forward. Grab your trophy, your ball, and your banner, and raise them high to the sky, because you earned it. Congratulations, Rancho Valley. And now, at this time, ladies and gentlemen, it is always my honor and privilege to announce the all-tournament team members. All-tournament team members. Athletes, when you hear your name, please step down off stage and stay in the center. The first athlete to make the all-tournament team is wearing number 17 from RBC Food, Jordan Mendiola. Wearing number 4 from Guanhan Bay, Ray Ruda. Still have to announce these athletes. Also wearing number 4 from Core 15, Mason Yang. Wearing number 10 from Rancho Valley, Timai Greedy. Wearing number 3 from Core 15, Max Schwartz. Wearing number 1 from Rancho Valley, your MVP for the 15 Club Division is wearing number 11 from accompanied by the all-tournament team members in the 15 Club Division. Athletes, at this time, you will follow to your right downstage to take a team photo to commemorate this moment. Families, please meet them by the photo booth as well.